Hey, Personal Finance. Welcome to week 14. We are in the home stretch now. We have just a few more weeks until Christmas break. And so we are wrapping up a lot of stuff right now. So we're wrapping up the credit unit first. So the assignment you have for this morning is called NEFI Credit, the National Endowment of Financial Education. It's just giving you a lot of information about credit cards and credit reports and your FICO score and how to stay on good terms with all of that. So the other thing you need to do this morning is to finish up your insurance presentation. I have posted some help videos for how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I use for all these videos and for everything, honestly, and talking you through the rubric for the insurance presentation. I think at some point we will present for each other in small groups so you get some peer feedback as well as from me. Then Thursday we're going to, actually no, I should talk about the afternoon first then. We are going to do an assignment called Spent, which is like an online like scenario that you work through to see if you could survive some financial hardships. It's not as easy as it seems. And then so we start talking about inflation. So there's a lot that we're doing this week that has to do with cost of living and purchasing power and how to, just like understanding how that works. What is inflation? What does it mean for your daily life and your growing up and stuff like that? So then you're going to be updating your stocks on Thursday morning, watching a video called Financial Myths Your Adults Fall For. Then we're going to finish up the cost of living assignment on Monday and start talking about college and whether or not it's a good option for you, whether it's going to increase your earnings over time, just getting you thinking about those options that you have once you graduate from high school. So I hope that you enjoy this week. I think we got some good learning coming up, and I'll see you soon.